Hello everyone, welcome to Red Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Our subject is EVS 2, Standard 4th, Lesson number 13, Shivaji gives the sleep to the Emperor. Video number 28. So let's start. Now, first students, I would like to tell you the meaning of sleep. Sleep means escape. Okay. So, in the previous lesson, you have learnt that how Shivaji Maharaj signed the treaty with the peace with the Mughal emperor, and according to its terms, he handed over 23 forts and territory with a revenue of 4 lakh hones. So, after the treaty was signed, Mirza Raja Jai Singh suggested to Shivaji that he should go to Agra and meet the emperor. Now, putting his trust in Jai Singh, Shivaji left for Agra to visit the emperor. Now, before leaving for Agra, Shivaji handed over the administration of his Swaraj to his mother Jizabai and took her blessings also. With him were his son Sambhaji Raje, some chosen Sardar, and few trusted people. They also carried with him a large treasure. Now, treasure means a collection of very valuable objects, things like gold, silvers, stones, etc. Okay, so in due course, he reached Agra. Now, next point, Shivaji shows his spirit at the emperor court. Now, on pre-arranged day, Shivaji Maharaj attained the emperor's darbar. Means Shivaji took prior appointment to meet the emperor. Even in those days, appointments were necessary. He took younger Sambhaji Raje to the emperor's darbar, to the emperor's palace. Some occasion was held. What was it? It was 50th birthday of Aurangzeb. Emperor Aurangzeb was meeting his common people in the other courtroom. Now the name of the other courtroom was Diwane Khas. After some time, he entered the big hall where the state matters were going to be discussed. Okay. To welcome the Emperor Aurangzeb, all of his chief sardars were standing in the serial order according to their ranks. Ranks means first position, second position, third position, in that way. So, in that line, there was a Sardar named Jaswant Singh Rathod. So, in the past, Marathas and Jaswant Singh had met eye to eye and he was defeated several times. So, that Sardar was also standing in the row before Shivaji Maharaj. The emperor put Shivaji Maharaj in one of the back rows. Therefore, Shivaji Maharaj became angry. He felt insulted there. So, after all, he was the king of the state of Maharashtra and his status demanded that he should be in the first rank. Now, it was an insult to the Maharashtra state and to the king himself. So, Shivaji turned back and left for his residence. He decided never to see the emperor's face again. So, in this way, there was no discussion done, and the visit was thus unsuccessful. Okay, the news of that incident spread everywhere. Now, the next point, the emperor's treachery. Now, treachery means the act of using harm to somebody who trusted you. Now, Aurangzeb saw that Shivaji had left the hall. So, Aurangzeb ordered his guards to surround Shivaji's residence. So, now Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje were arrested and taken to the prison. Shivaji Maharaj understood that it was Aurangzeb's treachery. Now he realized that the emperor would never let him return to Maharashtra. Many days and weeks passed. Shivaji gave in return a petition to the emperor to leave him so that he can go to Maharashtra. But emperor always refused the letter after reading it. So finally, Shivaji Maharaj made up his mind that he has to leave Agra. He has to escape from the clutches of the emperor. Okay, so he told the emperor one day that please send my other people to Maharashtra. I will stay here. My son will stay here along with me. We need only two servants for us. So the emperor was very happy. Emperor thought that is a very good idea. We need only Shivaji, not his people. So we can send them back. So emperor sent the other peoples to Maharashtra. He thought that Shivaji Maharaj would now be completely isolated, means alone. Now, the only person left with him now were Sambhaji Raje and the two servants, Hiroji Farzan and Madari Mehetar. Soon after, Shivaji Maharaj pretended to be ill, means he was acted to be ill. He complained of severe pain in the stomach, means extremely bad pain in the stomach. So doctors were called. They started treating the patient. Shivaji started sending out huge baskets of sweets to sadhus and Maulavis for his quick recovery. Next point, escape from Agra. So in the beginning, at first when the sweet baskets were sent, the guards near the palace used to check it every now and then. But when it was a daily routine for the guards, they stopped the checking. So the beginning the guards checked the baskets of the sweet, but now it was everyday routine work to send the baskets, and so the guards left them unchecked. One evening, Shivaji said to Hiroji to sleep on his bed and Madari to massage Hiroji's feet. Then Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje hid themselves in the two of many baskets that were going out. As usual, baskets were unchecked and left for the palace. Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje, they both reached at the previously fixed place. Their faithful servants were waiting with their horses for them. So, in the meantime, Hiroji and Madari left the house in Agra under the pretext that they were going to the doctor to get some medicine. And the two of them risked their own life and made a valuable contribution to the task of freeing Maharaj from emperor's clutches. So, the emperor came to know of Shivaji's escape the next day. He was very angry. His sardars were frightened. The emperor sent spies all over the country to find Shivaji. All the search, however, was in vain because once escaped the Maratha lion was never again caught in emperor's net. In disguise, Shivaji Maharaj started towards Maharashtra. He left young Sambhaji Raje behind in a safe place at Mathura, and in due course he reached at Rajgarh fort. Now Jijamata was overjoyed to see Shivaji Maharaj safe and back home. 2 months later, Sambhaji Raje also reached safely at Rajgarh. In this way, with a great skill and daring, Shivaji gave the sleep to the emperor and returned to the safety of his kingdom. So this incident was occurred in the year 1666.